Very good morning, my dear children. Myself, Mr. Pranay Vidyut, representing Masterminds Educational Institution, to give a review on the today's examination paper, that is CMAD, Cost and Management Audit for CMA Final students. And let us have a glance over MCQs. And the first question is relating to section 148, central government. Yeah, this is relating to CRAR 2014 and also relating to introduction to cost audit, which is you will be having in both the chapters. And the second question, cost of secondary packing material, relating to CRAR, but of course this is relating to CAS number 9. And coming to question number 3, audit and auditor rules. Auditor who had resigned from the company within 30 days. Okay, fine. This is relating to CRAR 2014, that is companies cost records and audit rules. And question number 4, sugar and industrial alcohol. Of course, even this is also relating to CRAR 2014. Which of the following contains the properties and interrelationships with respect to XBRL format? Of course, this is relating to filing of cost audit report through XBRL. Coming to MCQ number 6, which of the following is relating to wages and salaries which are to be included in cost auditor's report to the director? Of course, this is relating to CAS number 6, employee cost. CAS 5 deals with, this is relating to CAS, internal audit is conducted, relating to internal audit topic, and operational audit is relating to internal audit topic. Which of the following are prescribed in provision of PMLA, Anti-Money Laundering Act? And choose the correct option. This is relating to management reporting issues and analysis. Management reporting issues and analysis you're having in the chapter management decision making areas, problematic related part will be there, the same one, and of course very easy, nothing great at all. And if you observe the MCQs, as we have been always uttering to the students, especially in the classroom, that please concentrate on CRAR and cost accounting standards, and the same was proven again. Just from CRAR around 1, 2, 3 into 2, and from CAS also 3, totally 6 into 2, 12 marks out of 20, or just from these two chapters itself. So we've been uttering the students to prepare properly with respect to these two chapters. And of course, this time management reporting issues and analysis, outright he asked 5 questions into 2, 10 marks. Done. And moving on to the next thing, descriptive. Coming to question number 2A, general objectives of cost audit, which is very simple from the chapter introduction to cost audit. And 2B, as per company's cost records and audit rules, summarize various CRA forms like CRA 1, 2, 3, 4, which is relating to CRAR 2014. Identify the duties of cost auditor to report the fraud. As per our material, it is there in cost auditor and also given in introduction to cost audit, also given in CRAR, but very clearly it was there in the chapter cost auditor professional ethics, we kept there. And next, discuss the steps to be taken for filing of cost audit report with the central government. This is preparation of cost audit report. Filing of cost audit report through XBRL. Yes. Filing of cost audit report through XBRL, which is very simple. 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Expected questions, important questions, very simple. Coming to 4A, this time the question is asked from CAS number 10, direct expenses, which is pure easy question. Generally, we will be telling to the students that the first pick will be from CAS 6 and CAS number 7. If those were missed, he will be asking from CAS 2, CAS 4, and then also CAS number 10, which is very easy and very simple question. Even copy paste, just number change. 4A, 7 marks, very easy question. Coming to 4B, this is from CAS number 4. Of course, there are some new points, material from sister concern, like relative parties. You have to consider this one. Abnormal breakdown cost has to be eliminated, demurrage charges has to be eliminated, and miscellaneous subsidy received from operations have to be deducted. Apart from this, everything is very simple. Working capital interest to the bank is not to be considered at all. And this time given one more new point, that is working capital, work in progress adjustments. These are general things itself, provided if you have gone through CAS number 4 like standard, these things are going to be very easy. And of course, this is also an easy question. Coming to 5A, which is cost reconciliation statement from the chapter CRAR 2014. And if you observe from cost accounting standards itself, we have got 2 into 7, 14 marks, and CRAR, one theoretical kind of question and another problematic related question, that is cost reconciliation statement. See, the cost reconciliation statement is also very easy, because already given by segregating in the question itself that this is relating to financial account and this is relating to cost accounts. So obviously there's no challenging here, and of course very easy. 5A. And coming to 5B, what do you mean by forensic audit of finance and forensic audit techniques? That is investigative techniques of forensic audit, which is very important question in forensic audit, and of course easy. And coming to 6A, responsibility and powers of enforcement directorate. Outright to tell you, this was not covered in our material. Who is qualified to conduct management audit? Explain. This was also exactly not covered in our material, but to some extent qualities of management auditor can be written promptly in this context. But anyways, you can leave question number 6 as choice. And coming to question number 7, analyze the role of cyber security in protecting the data used in an organization. Very simple. Write about cyber security. For your kind information, this kind of question was not directly even available in the material, but of course you can write about cyber security in ISA, which is from Information Systems Audit. And one more thing, this chapter is from anti-money laundering, and this chapter is from basics of management audit. And of course, as we have discussed, this is from the forensic audit. And the next one, identify the role of capacity utilization analysis. This is also a direct question, which is from management reporting issues and analysis. You can write about capacity utilization analysis in this context. That's it. 7B is also easy. To those students who can't write 7A promptly, you can even take this question as choice. Next, coming to question number 8A, which is structure of internal control and factors to be considered, a very popular question from internal audit, internal control and operational audit. And 8B, audit program for NGOs, non-governmental organizations, which is audit from different service organizations. And my dear children, at the end, if you have taken question number 6 and 7 as choice, question number 6 outright not covered in our material, but question number 7A is covered to some extent. Question number 7B is fully covered again. So if you have taken question number 6 and 7 as choice, you can comfortably write the remaining paper without any difficulty, even including the MCQs also. And my dear children, that is the end of your review with respect to the paper cost and management audit. Hope tomorrow you are going to write P14, paper 14. If I was not wrong, SFM. So all the best for your next examination. Thank you.